how engineers do it. Hello friends, this is Muhammad Shakil here from How Engineers Do It. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove accent from names. In order to explain this, I have created this data set. Now we have three sheets in this. One has the name and grade, and one has the name and employee ID, and one has the employee ID and grade. Now the task which I've created is to create a list which has employee ID and grade. Now I'm going to remove this and come back to the sheet. Now the point to notice here is in the sheet we have names with the accent, and in the sheet we have the names without the accent. Now the task here is to match the names which is with the accent with this sheet and take the grade. Now we can do this using VLOOKUP. However, if you try to match the names in this sheet with this sheet, it's not going to work, because the names in that sheet and this sheet has one has accent, one doesn't have accent. Now there is a function which I've created in this in my Excel which can remove accent. So if you click on, if you put equal to and put remove accent and select the cell and close it, it's going to remove the accent and fetch the name. Now if you have to configure that in your Excel, there are a couple of steps which you need to do, which I'm gonna take you through. So it's just simple steps. You just need to go to developer and go to Visual Basic, and in the Visual Basic you just need to basically input this function. Now if this function was not there, then if you had put the remove accent, it's not going to appear. It's basically there because you have this function. Now let me just quickly show that to you again. Now it's back here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this whole code and I'm going to paste it in my description box so you'll be able to find it. So you can just copy and paste it there, and you will have the remove accent. Now that's all about removing the accent, but in order to complete the task which I was talking about, I'm just going to show you how you can quickly do that. So that's remove accent, and I'm going to select the cell, close it, and double click here, and that's going to give you the list of names without the accent. Now you have the name and the grade, and the name and the employee ID. Now all you have to do is just add grade here and use the VLOOKUP and look for the name in this table, and in column number 2 I need to fetch whatever is there in column number 2 and exact match. Just need to close that and you're gonna get it. Now I'll just double click and that is applied down, and all you need to do next is just select these data, Control C, and just paste as values. Just paste as values, and you have that data being created. So the task, I've explained two things. One is how to remove the accent, and one is how to perform the task which I gave as an example for this particular issue. So that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you and stay tuned.